embracing change and pursuing wisdom through observing the trend of the world and seeking innovation. For 39 years, constar has been committed to serving global vision health and building a national enterprise with a heroic spirit. constar has 6 modern contact lens production factories under its group: Gansu constar Technology Group Company Limited, Gansu Tianho Optical Technology Company Limited, Gansu Kangshili Contact Lens Company Limited, Hunan Lianghua Technology Company Limited, Hunan Haipoming Technology Company Limited, and Hunan Duoculai Optics Technology Company Limited. These factories are focused on producing contact lenses, colored contact lenses, custom-made astigmatism and hyperopia contact lenses, contact lens care solutions, and eye drops. The company occupies a 62.3% market share on domestic online platforms and can meet the diverse needs of different customers while sharing resources, technology, achievements, and talent among the 6 enterprises. Core technology is the soul of the enterprise. The Gansu constar Contact Lens Production Factory, located in the Baiying High-Tech Industrial Park, is one of the largest manufacturers of color contact lenses in China and one of the most influential contact lens producers in Asia. constar contact lenses adopt a unique edge design with excellent water-locking capability and tear fluid circulation promotion, reducing discomfort during wear. They also have full-range UV protection, effectively blocking UVA and UVB. For eye protection, adding hyaluronic acid factors make the lenses more hydrating, comfortable, and long-lasting. Scientific research and innovation are the source of development. constar and Lanzhou University jointly established a visual research center to carry out strategic cooperation with domestic universities and research institutions, focusing on the clinical application of developing new contact lenses and new products, and vigorously promoting the transformation of core technologies such as new contact lenses and new materials and implementation. constar has over 500 high-tech talents and skilled workers in its Mold Development Center, New Material Research Center, Vision Research Center, and Pattern Design Laboratory. The company has 1 Provincial Enterprise Technology Center, completed 1 Innovative Fund project of the Ministry of Science and Technology, won 1 Provincial New Product and Technology Award, and 1 second prize for scientific and technological progress in Baiying City, providing strong data support for the upgrade of contact lens production technology. Marketing and service are the foundation of the enterprise. constar is committed to providing continuously innovative contact lens products and services for a broad range of distributors and providing production services for many well-known contact lens companies in China. Our marketing network covers all parts of China, and our products are exported to Southeastern Asia, Europe, and the Middle East. Our diversified products such as contact lenses, colored contact lenses, and multifunctional contact lens care solutions and eye drops have won high praise in the domestic and foreign eyewear industry. constar has been rated as a national specialized and new small and medium enterprise, a national advanced collective in the light industry, a national enterprise that honors contracts and credit, an advanced private enterprise in the province, a 2018 advanced taxpayer enterprise, a provincial enterprise technology center, and a high-tech enterprise. This is the cohesion of the strength of constar building the world's largest contact lens production base, creating the best contact lenses in the world.